Exploring Turin and don't want to drag your luggage around? Radical Storage offers a convenient and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this video, you'll learn how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Turin using Radical Storage, a trusted platform with secure, insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses, such as hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring that your luggage is kept safe and fully insured while you explore the city. To avoid phishing sites and ensure you're using the official Radical Storage platform, just click the link in the video description to access the official site. Once there, type Turin into the search bar, and you'll see a variety of storage locations across the city. Choose the location that's most convenient for you, whether near tourist hotspots, transit hubs, or in downtown Turin. Then, select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, and proceed to payment. Radical Storage guarantees that your online transaction will be secure, so you can book with confidence. After your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and detailed directions to the selected luggage storage point. When you arrive, show your reference number to the staff, and they'll securely store your luggage. It's that simple. Now you could explore Turin without worrying about your bags, knowing they are safely stored with Radical Storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.